Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Keroy King here. Alright, today I'm going to read for you When in Doubt. It comes as a sneaky thought, lingering in memories past, recalling the failures and disappointments that have littered your life. Then you remember, life is wonderful. I have had wins before. I have overcome insurmountable challenges and claimed victory in all. Life is nurturing by nature. Life is supportive in all your endeavors. Life will always show you its goodness, even in troubled times. When in doubt, always remember life has you covered every day and in every way. Life is God expressed, and God is love magnified. Let this poem encourage you when in doubt. Remember, life is supporting you. As always, it's Kira King. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.